All right, this is going over number one from review number three. This is the cube thing plus the cube thing. So there's a little pattern that says a cube thing plus a cube thing factors to a plus b times a squared. Sorry, I'm running out of room here. Minus ab plus b squared. So sorry, I kind of ran out of space there, but that's what it's going to factor to. So basically, this is a cubed and b cubed. So you just got to do the cube roots to figure out that a is just x and b is just 4, the cube root of 64. Okay, so now I'm going to use this pattern with a and b. So I'm going to do x plus 4, and then a squared is just x squared. A times b is 4x, and b squared is 16. Okay, and I factored it apart. Certainly it would make sense to try to factor this further, but the reality is it won't factor. So if we look at the things that multiply to 16, positive 16 and add up to negative 4, we need two negatives, but none of the pairs work. 1 and 16, 2 and 8, 4 and 4, none of them will add up to negative 4. Okay, so since it does not factor, we're going to end up having to solve it with quad formula. All right, so I'm going to solve this one because it's kind of easier, to be honest. So that'll give me negative 4. That's one of my three answers. Remember, the exponent drives how many answers? Okay, and then I just do the quad formula for this, right? And the formula is given to you on the test. I always recommend doing b squared minus 4ac first. And please realize this is a new ABC. I know we had a and b over here, but now we're going to take ABC from this quadratic. So a is going to be 1, b is going to be negative 4, and c is going to be 16. Okay, so starting with this part, I'm going to do negative 4 squared. Sorry about that. Negative 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times 16. And so we'll get negative 4 squared is 16 minus 4 times 1 times 16 is 64. So it's negative 48. Okay, so now we got to do simplest radical form, right? So we know it's going to have imaginary because it's a negative square root, and we're going to make it into 16 and 3 and negative 1. All right, so that becomes 4i radical 3. Okay, and then I'm going to do the rest of the formula. So it's the opposite of b. So the opposite of b is 4 plus or minus this part that I just figured out. So 4i radical 3 all over 2a. So 2 times 1 is just 2. And then that cleans up a little more so that we get 2 plus or minus 2i radical 3. Okay, and those are our three answers. Negative 4 and then these two imaginary answers. Thanks for watching.